In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your seed phrase on Coinbase Wallet. This is an essential step in ensuring you have access to your crypto assets because the seed phrase acts like the master key to your wallet. So let's get started ensuring you know how to find this crucial piece of information safely and efficiently. First, you want to open your Coinbase app. This sounds simple, but it's your gateway to accessing your wallet. Head straight to the wallet application, which houses all the critical features related to your digital currencies. Once you've successfully navigated to your wallet application, the next step is to access the settings. This is as easy as tapping the settings icon, usually represented by a gear icon in your wallet interface. It's your hub for customizing and controlling all security-related functions, among others. After you are in the settings menu, select Security. This option holds all the elements that protect your digital assets, including the seed phrase. A seed phrase is the key to your kingdom of digital assets. Under the security settings, you'll want to look for anything related to backups. In this context, tap on your specific wallet indicated, such as Wallet 1. What you're doing here is diving into the specific details of your wallet's backups. The backup section is crucial because it's where all the information pertaining to the recovery of your wallet lives. Up next, you'll be prompted to verify your password or use biometrics. This is an essential step because you must prove your identity before accessing sensitive information. Think of it as a security checkpoint, ensuring that only the rightful owner, which is you, can proceed to view the seed phrase. Whether you're typing in your password or simply allowing your biometric data, like a fingerprint, to work its magic, this step protects your information from unauthorized access. Once through, you'll see an option to view your recovery phrase. It's vital here to securely copy and save the recovery phrase or write it down on paper if that suits your style better. The choice is yours, but the focal point is security at all times. Writing it down ensures there's no digital trace that could be hacked, while copying and securing it digitally means you have easy access whenever you might need it. Whichever method you choose, ensure the phrase is protected from onlookers or potential cyber threats. And that wraps up how you can find your seed phrase on Coinbase Wallet. Remember, your seed phrase is essentially the combination to the safe holding your crypto treasures. Guard it with care, as losing it can mean losing access to your digital assets. Thanks for watching, and be sure to keep this key piece of information secure.